It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SINO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. Did this analysis yesterday, but want to get things updated here, as the shipping stocks seem to be coming back down to earth here. And there is some perspective that goes into this. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you were hoping to sell within, 10 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart looks pretty terrible. But if you care about the big picture of things, there is still technically some hope here for the bulls, because technically, again, big picture is the key word there. From the grand scheme perspective, the bulls can still put in a higher low and, therefore build the overall trend. And really the easiest way to see that is by looking here at the purple line there, the famous 50-period simple moving average. And, as long as the price is above there, then technically speaking, the price is put in higher lows. And that's what truly strong moves do. Bullish moves, price movements that are in uptrends, are going to, trend upwards, right? Which means put it in those higher lows. And that's what that moving average, that's what that purple line is measuring. This is a line that, it itself is going to continue to increase. So when you stop and think about it, well, what does the price have to do in order to stay above an increasing line? Well, the price itself has to continue to increase. So as long as the price is above that purple line, again, that implies price is putting in a higher low, and that's what, long-term, truly bullish moves do. So we'll see if that can continue to happen. But really it goes to show the power of charts. I mean, this thing was falling. And then, oh, what a coincidence where it decided to start to go sideways right there slightly above that purple line. Now, that's not, guaranteed to continue to hold, but, just always interesting how the price seems to kind of know where these moving averages are and decided to kind of level off right around that area. So we'll see if that level can continue to hold or not tomorrow. If it cannot hold, the next key level of support to keep an eye on down there at about the $3.50 mark. If 350 can't hold, then, in my mind, it's probably drifting down to at least the $2.30 range. But I don't want to get too far ahead of myself, because as of right now, it is maintaining above that purple line. What about levels of resistance? Key level of resistance in any sort of bounce is going to be the previous level of support right there at $5.50. And then after $5.50, next key level, going to call up there at $6.80. So we'll see what happens with it. Still a lot of volume in these stocks. It'll be interesting to see how it unfolds tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.